Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you the updated version of our monthly and yearly pricing table toggle button. Okay, so we already have this course snippet, but this one is the updated version of the previous course snippet, and we just eliminated some of the code and we made it super simple now and easy to use. Okay, so let me show you how it actually works. Okay, so by using this toggle button you can show your monthly and yearly pricing inside your GoHighLevel page, and your user can switch from monthly to yearly package. Okay, so by default when you load the page, then it will show the monthly package like the standard, professional and premium, just for the example. Okay, in this tutorial, and when they toggle to see the annual pricing, then they will see the annual pricing and everything will be changed based on your requirement, the design or the text or content you added on the annually pricing table. Okay, so let me show you how you can apply this course snippet into your GoHighLevel. Okay, so I already created the page. You can see here I added course snippet. Okay, so from the previous course snippet, all you just needed to add the pricing table once. Okay, and then the monthly pricing and the yearly pricing right inside the same table. Okay, but to this version of this course snippet, we have updated it to two different rows. Okay, so in the first rows we just added the monthly pricing, okay, monthly pricing table, and the second rows we added the yearly pricing table. Okay, so this is the two rows that you need to add, and you can put any content based on your requirement into this uh, pricing table. Okay, it's based on your requirement, and then copy the course snippet from your GHL code snippet library. Okay, this course code is already available inside our premium membership area. You will get it there, and then just copy the code snippet and add the code option like any other code from our library. Okay, just use this one. Okay, and then just open this. Okay, you can see I already have it. So open this and then copy the update your code. Okay, so the code you just copied from the members area, just paste it here. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do, and then you need to make your monthly or annually pricing whatever you want to say. Okay, like in my case I am saying monthly and annually, right? So in this case you can say anything you want. Okay, like monthly or yearly. Okay, instead of annually you can say yearly. Okay, and you don't need to do anything else into this code snippet, just copy paste. Okay, and then you need to copy the css code also. Okay, from the code snippet library, and then you will get the css code here. Okay, so this css code is just for the change the color of your toggle button. Okay, so in my case I already added a blue color. You can see this is the dark blue, and when I click on it, and it switches annually and it getting a light blue. Okay, so this is the color. Okay, so the first color is your default color, okay, which is dark blue in my case, and this is the color that will activate after you click on the toggle button like this. Okay, so this color you can just brand it based on your use case or your website branding. Okay, just put the color code, or if you want to use the default color, that's also totally fine. Okay, so no other changes you need to do, just copy the css code, change the color if you need, otherwise you are good to go. Then save it, and then you need to do two more things. Okay, like just select the row and then go to the advanced tab and add the css class monthly plan. Okay, you can just add this css uh, class called monthly plan for your monthly pricing table, and then for the second column, which is your yearly pricing table, just add the annual plan. Okay, just exact same class. Okay, the annual plan, and then one more CSS class you need to add, like let me show you just in a moment. Okay, so add another CSS class called second row. Okay, just add this exact same CSS class. You will also get this CSS class right inside the members area. Okay, just add it, and your second column will automatically get hidden. Okay, we already have the code, so your second column will be hidden by default. Once someone just switch to the annual plan, then it will be showing. Okay, but in case you need to get this visible into the editor again, or if you want to make some changes, then how you will get it? Okay, so just go to the layer and then find out your column. Okay, so in my case I already renamed the column. Okay, so you can see here I named it monthly plan, and then for the second one, let me show you. Remove this plus. Okay, for the second one I just added the name called yearly plan. Okay, so this is showing here also. You can see yearly plan and monthly plan. Okay, so you can also rename these, otherwise it will be showing like row 1, row 2, row 3 like this by default. Okay, so just give it a name. It will be easier to find out if you have a long page and lots of different layer on your page. Okay, so that will be easier, okay, to find out. So just go back, just select this one, go back to the advanced tab, add the custom CSS second row, click enter. Okay, and then publish the page. If everything goes well, then we should have the working toggle button in our page. Okay, let me preview it real quick. Okay, now you can see by default it's showing our monthly plan, and we can switch to the yearly plan easily. Okay, so this way now the code snippet is clean and very easy to use. All you just need to copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library, and then just add your task, okay, into the CSS if you like, otherwise it's good. And then you just need to add the class, okay, of your row, okay, where you just added the pricing plan. Okay, so for the monthly plan, add monthly plan, and then the second column, which is the yearly plan, add the CSS ID as per the direction. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also if you like to share with your friends, then you can do this easily. Okay, and one more thing, I always recommend you to join our GHL Code Snippet library if you are not a member of our GHL Code Snippet or our Code Snippet library. Okay, just join our Code Snippet library here. Okay, we already have almost 700 users that we are using our community as well as our code snippet. Okay, and you will get a lots of free lessons here. Okay, and once you join to the community, you will get access to our basic version of this code snippet for free, where you will get the limited edition of code snippet. But if you want to the pro use the pro version, then you need to upgrade to GHL Code Snippet Pro Unlimited. Okay, so it's up to you, but you can join the discussion, you can join the community for free. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.